want to record a little quick video here just talking a little bit more about logging in to your AliExpress account using the Dropship Analyzer software. As I mentioned in other videos, this is kind of like just a specialized web browser. In fact, this is a built-in web browser we're looking at right now. So it is required, AliExpress requires that you have to log into your account in order to get access to the Dropship Center. So that is a requirement that you have to do, but I've made it quite simple for you to do that. All you have to do here is simply click on the settings button at the top there, and you can enter in your AliExpress username and password right here, and it will encrypt your information and keep it safe on the computer so you can access it whenever you need. And then whenever you do a search, every single time you open up the Dropship Analyzer and use it, you have to log into your account. This is no different than going to aliexpress.com to go and look at your orders or go even into Amazon or anything. They always require you to log into your account. Same idea here. So once you go and you click search, it's going to bring up the login window at the very first time you click search and use it in the time you have the software open. And as you can see here, it will automatically log in for you and start working. So I created an auto login procedure. So that's what I wanted to talk about a little bit here. So I'm just going to go and stop this here. If I go to help, open up the built-in browser, you can see there's attempt to auto log in is auto selected. And if that's not selected, then it won't auto log in. So that's to keep in mind that if you want to do it manually, then yeah, you can. So if you go to the login and if you want to manually log in, you do have another option. You can actually just click your saved username and your saved passwords that are saved inside of your settings window if you'd like to do it that way. But I actually hate logging in all the time, so I just keep that on as default, but you don't have to. Also, there's another option down here. We'll automatically close the window after it logs in. That's set by default. But it's just a handy way of not dealing with it. But after you log in while you're using your session of the particular software, so once you open it up, you log in once. The next time you search, you don't have to log in again. So that's kind of nice. So that's why I've integrated that little auto login feature, which helps you basically access to the information a lot faster, so you're not having to keep typing in your username and email all the time. Your username and password all the time when you want to get access to the Dropship Center through the software.